I want to talk about something that many of us dream about: becoming a millionaire or even a billionaire. We often look at the lives of the rich and famous, wondering what secrets they hold that we don't. Well, today, I'm going to share with you the 5 secrets that billionaires know, and I will explain how you can apply them to your life, regardless of your current financial situation. Welcome back to BA Media, where we equip you with the practical insights and strategies to attain financial abundance. Today, we have an intriguing topic to uncover: 5 secrets that billionaires know. Before we venture into the realm of financial wisdom, I urge you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you will unlock valuable content that will steer you towards achieving your financial aspiration. Let's begin this enlightening journey. First secret would be: mindset is everything. Billionaires understand the power of positive and growth-oriented mindset. They believe in their ability to create wealth and success. It all starts with believing in yourself and your potential to achieve greatness. Your thoughts possess the incredible potential to mold your reality. Let's say, for example, if you consistently tell yourself that you will never be rich because you were born poor, you might unconsciously sabotage your own chances of success. To overcome the negative mindset and subconscious self-sabotage, you can take several steps. First is self-awareness. Start by recognizing your negative thoughts and limiting beliefs. Take note of the patterns that emerge in your thinking. Next, embrace the challenge of questioning your beliefs. Take a critical look at the validity of your limiting beliefs. Ask yourself if they are rooted in facts or merely assumptions. Be proactive in seeking evidence to either support or refute them. Next would be: replace negative thoughts. When you catch yourself thinking negatively, consciously replace those thoughts with positive affirmations and empowering statements. For example, replace "I will be rich" with "I am capable of creating wealth and success." Next would be: surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who have a growth-oriented mindset. Seek out mentors or join communities that inspires and motivates you. Next would be: set realistic goals. Break down your aspirations into achievable and measurable goals. Celebrate your small victories along the way, which will reinforce your positive mindset. Next is: harness the power of visualization. Engage in visualization techniques to vividly envision yourself accomplishing your goals. Next is continuous learning. Invest in personal development and education. The more knowledge and skills you acquire, the more confident you will become in your ability to achieve success. Next is: stay persistent. Building wealth and achieving success may take time and effort. Maintain unwavering persistent and resilient when confronted with challenges and setbacks. Lastly, practice gratitude. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude for what you have, as it can shift your focus from lack of abundance and attract more positive energy into your life. So remember, mindset is not something that changes overnight. It requires consistent effort and self-reflection. Be patient with yourself and stay committed to cultivating a positive and growth-oriented mindset to improve your chances of success. Secret number 2, embrace risk and failure. Billionaires take calculated risk and learn from their failures. They understand that failure is an essential part of the journey to success. Embrace failure as a chance to learn, grow, and improve. Here is, for example, many people avoid taking risks or trying new things because they fear failure. But it often is those who dare to take risks that achieve extraordinary success. Embracing risk and failure can be a transformative in your journey to success. Here is how to make the most of this mindset. First, change your perception of failure. Instead of seeking failure as a negative outcome, view it as a valuable learning experience. Failure provides insight into what didn't work and allows you to refine your approach for future endeavors. Next is analyze and learn from failures. After encountering a setbacks, take the time to reflect on what went wrong and why. Identify the lesson you can take away from the experiences to avoid making the same mistakes in the future. Next is develop a risk management strategy. Before taking significant risk, assess the potential rewards and consequences. Understand the level of risk you are comfortable with, and have a plan in place to mitigate potential downsides. Next is start small and build confidence. Begin with manageable risk that allows you to gain experience and build confidence. As you succeed in smaller venture, you will be more prepared to tackle more significant challenges. Next would be focus on the process, not just the outcome. Concentrate on the efforts and action you take, rather than solely fixating on the end result. By doing so, you can learn and grow with each step, regardless of the immediate outcome. Next is seek advice and mentorship. Connect with individuals who have experienced both success and failure in their endeavors. Their insights and guidance can help you navigate your own challenges more effectively. Next is maintain perseverance and resilience. Accept that setbacks are a natural part of any journey towards success. Stay committed to your goals and don't be deterred by temporary failures. Next is celebrate progress and achievement. Acknowledge your success along the way, even if they are not yet at the ultimate level you aspire to. Celebrating milestones will help you stay motivated and optimistic. Lastly, keep adapting and iterating. Use the knowledge gained from both success and failures to refine your strategies continually. Be open to adjusting your approach as you encounter new information and experiences. So remember, embracing risk and failure doesn't mean being reckless. It's about taking calculated chances and using failures as a stepping stone to growth and eventually success. As you develop this mindset, you will find that your willingness to embrace challenges will lead to opportunities for personal and financial growth. I sincerely hope that you have been finding the insights valuable. Before we delve deeper into the realm of wealth creation, I have a humble request for you. Kindly take a moment to show your support by clicking the like button and sharing this video with your loved ones. Together, we can empower more individuals to pursue their dreams and pave the way towards becoming millionaires and even billionaires. Let's embark this journey of abundance and success together. The third secret will be invest in yourself. Billionaires invest in their knowledge and skills. Continuous learning and self-improvement are crucial to staying ahead in the ever-changing world. For example, instead of spending money on non-essential items, consider investing in courses, workshops, or books that can help you acquire valuable skills. Investing in yourself is indeed a powerful strategy for personal and financial growth. Here are some ways to effectively invest in yourself. First, continuous learning. Commit to lifelong learning and invest in courses, workshops, and books to acquire valuable skills and knowledge. Next, seek mentorship. Find mentors or coaches that can provide guidance and insights based on their experiences, helping you to navigate your journey to success. Next is read books. Expand your knowledge and gain new perspectives by regularly reading books from expert and successful individuals. Next would be networking. Attend networking events to build meaningful relationships with like-minded individuals, opening doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Lastly, take care of your health. Prioritize your physical and mental well-being, as it directs impact to your overall success and performance. By continuously investing in yourself, you not only enhance your abilities but also demonstrate a commitment to personal growth and development. This proactive approach can lead to increased confidence, more significant opportunities, and ultimately greater success in various aspects of life. Remember that the best investment you can make is in yourself. Fourth secret would be long-term vision. Billionaires think long-term. They set ambitious goals and work diligently towards achieving them. For example, saving a small portion of your income regularly can lead to a significant wealth over time. But many people prefer instant gratification and spend all their earnings. So thinking long-term and having a clear vision for your future is a crucial aspect of achieving success and building wealth. Here's how you can adopt a long-term vision. First is define your long-term goals. Clearly outline your long-term objectives to guide your action. Next, break down the goals. Divide the long-term vision into smaller, achievable milestones. Next is delay gratification. Resist instant reward and focus on the long-term benefits of patience and persistence. Next is invest for a long term. Choose investment options with potential for steady growth over time. Lastly, monitor progress. Regularly review your advancement toward long-term goals and celebrate milestones. Remember that long-term success requires patience and commitment. While it may be tempting to opt for short-term gains, sticking with your long-term vision will ultimately yield more significant and sustainable results. Keeping your focus on the bigger picture and work diligent towards making your vision a reality. Lastly, the fifth secret is leverage the power of compounding. Billionaires understand the power of compounding. They make investment that grows over time and generate passive income. For example, saving and investing early in life can make a massive difference in your financial future due to the compounding effect. Indeed, leveraging the power of compounding is one of the most effective ways to build a substantial wealth over time. Here is how you can harness this power to your advantage. First, start early. Begin saving and investing as soon as possible to maximize the time your investment have to grow through compounding. Next, be consistent. Regularly contribute to your investment to take advantage of compounding over the long term. Next is reinvest dividends and returns. Allow your investment gains to be reinvested to accelerate the compounding effect. Next is utilize tax advance account. Take advantage of retirement accounts with tax benefit to boost your compounding growth. Lastly, diversify your investments. Spread your investment across different assets to reduce risk and improve overall compounding results. Remember that compounding is a gradual process, and its true power becomes apparent over extended periods. Be patient, stay committed to your financial goal, and allow compounding to work its magic for a long-term financial success. Becoming a millionaire or billionaire is not an attainable dream. By adopting these secrets and applying them to your life, you can increase your chances of achieving financial success. Remember, it's not about where you start. It's about the choices you make and the actions you take to build a better future yourself. So believe in yourself, embrace risk, invest in your growth, and never stop learning. You have the power to change your financial destiny and live a life of abundance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your colleagues and friends. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you on the next video.